Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the Land Rover Defender by Traxxas. It's a 1/18 scale crawler. So that you can see what it comes with inside the box. So we've got all the different manuals and everything, different tools for the wheels and for the different nuts, and those are for the shocks. And the awesome thing about these is they come with pretty much everything you need. Comes with a battery. And the charger. The nice thing about these chargers is they'll flash to let you know what's going on with the battery. The remote control. This is going to need 4 AA batteries, which aren't included. And here we are. And here's the Defender itself. It's got awesome details. It's got some cool tools already on the back. High lift jack and some roto packs. The nice thing about these two is the body. You just push these 2 buttons down here to remove. And this is what it looks like. We'll charge the battery and come back and show what it looks like with a charge. You should always charge the battery first before running it. So now we've got 4 AA batteries in here, and this battery is charged, and it just hooks in like this. Oh, you want to turn the remote on first, then plug in this battery. Otherwise, if you don't have the remote on, see this light's red, but a lot of times once you turn the remote on, it'll turn green, and if it doesn't, you can just push that little button. Okay. And stock, it comes with some headlights, no tail lights. Body just clips on.